and welcome to Fly Pittsburgh. We're so excited to have you here today and enjoy Pittsburgh in a whole new way. But first, let's go over some safety features of our aircraft.
Let's have a look at the front of the aircraft. When the aircraft engine is off, the propeller would look something like this. However, when the engines are on, the propeller spins very fast. Let's stay away from this at all times, even if the engine is not running. We want you to reach your destination in one piece. Should anything happen to fly away while boarding, do not chase it. Your friendly ground crew will retrieve it for you. Now, let's get ready to board the aircraft. Please wait inside the lobby until our ground crew will escort you to our safe zone. They may be unloading passengers, so please await their instruction while they do so. Each seat is equipped with a seat belt. Take the clip and insert into the buckle, in case of experiencing any bumps along the way. To release, just pull on the latch. If you're lucky enough to ride a shotgun with us today, our pilot will assist you with the seatbelt. Please be seated the entire flight. No smoking or e-cigarettes is permitted on our flights, lobby or inside the airfield. The fire extinguisher is located on the floor next to the pilot. In case of a fire, grab the fire extinguisher and point the nozzle at the base of the fire. Remove the pin and squeeze the trigger. To open the door of our Piper Saratoga, simply slide the upper latch to the open position and pull the door latch open and push the door towards the front of the aircraft. We know that you want to remember this trip. Upon exiting the aircraft, please walk away from the aircraft to the safe zone. Once our good-looking ground crew have finished unloading all the passengers, we will be happy to take your picture. We want to see your gorgeous faces, so please #FlyPittsburgh. Lastly, please review the restricted items listed in the lobby to make sure you're not carrying any hazardous material or controlled substances restricted by the FAA, such as hazardous materials or controlled substances. Remember to put your cell phone and portable electronic devices in the airplane mode for duration of a flight. There are safety cards in each aircraft for you to review. If you have any questions, please remember to ask any of our friendly ground crew members before boarding. Why flying with us? Safety. S. Seatbelts fastened for takeoff and landing. Seat position adjusted and locked in place. A. Air vents. Location and operation. All environmental controls discussed. Action. In case any of the passenger is feeling discomfort, please tap the pilot on the shoulder. F. Fire extinguisher. Location and operation. E. Exit doors, how to secure, how to open. T is for traffic and spotting. Notify the pilot if you see any other aircrafts. Talking. Please refrain from talking while the pilot is talking to the control tower. Y is for you. Do you have any questions? Now it's time to board our aircraft. We know it's about the experience for you, but for us, it's about safety and the journey.
Thank you for choosing Fly Pittsburgh and enjoy your flight.